Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the Shipibo shaker, which was actually handcrafted in the Amazon rainforest. It is a type of shamanic shaker. It's used for spiritual healing, for rituals, that kind of thing. Each one actually has a different design. This one, we have a butterfly carved on this side, and on the other side we have a hummingbird. And then on this shaker, we have a more kind of tribal design. These are the Shipibo shakers with handles. They're actually made from chonta wood and also gourd. We also have Shipibo egg shakers, which are typically the Shipibo shaker, but without the handle. When it comes to playing the Shipibo shaker, it's kind of similar to a maraca. We would hold the handle with a loose but comfortable grip. We don't want to be too tight. We want to have a bit of movement with our wrist. And we just want to kind of flick it backwards and forwards like this. And to ensure we're, keeping rhythm, keeping time, if we're using it for music purposes, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then play on each beat. So each number is a beat, and it's something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want to play faster, maybe we could count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or you can count regularly and you can just speed it up. When you play the Shipibo shaker, you can vary the sound a lot. If you play it like a normal maraca, or if you want to try something like this, you can go kind of point it upwards and go, and then downwards. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But also the sound changes a lot when you tap it on your hand. For example, so we could always use our hand as an accent, and we could tap it on our hand for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you wanted to create some unusual sounds and you wanted to record them, or you wanted something that's better suited to mindfulness and sound healing, you might want to hold it by the egg and just make some relaxing sounds. Different Shipibo shakers will sound completely different. When you're comfortable playing it, you should try it with 2 hands. If you hear the difference in sound, the reason the sound is different is because the gourd has been hollowed inside. Some are thinner than others. Sometimes they have different fillings or a different amount of fillings. Each one is completely unique. And the same is true with the egg shakers. This one has a thicker shell. You can tell it's got more bass tones. And this one has a thinner shell. Anyway, if you want to check out any of these instruments, I will put a link in the description. I hope you found this video useful.